Hey everyone, welcome to another quick Excel guide for Mac. In today's video, I'll show you how to very quickly and easily Google search the values that you have in cells without needing to leave Excel. Of course, when you click on the link, it'll open a browser for you, but this is way easier than copy pasting data, especially if you need to type in additional terms. Let's say that you have a leads list or a list of conference attendees or something like that, and you want to look them up really quickly one by one. This is a really easy way to do that. So essentially, I will show you this formula, which is the hyperlink function, and I'll actually provide this whole chunk in the video description, so you can just copy paste this into your Excel worksheet. And we'll actually start off with the easiest version. So essentially how this works is you're going to hyperlink some search term, in this case it's the Google search query with the and at the end. And then you're going to link it to whatever you want to look up. So in this case, the company name that I want to look up, Apple, that's in cell A2. And the second phrase of this function is the friendly name. What that means is what it'll actually show up as in cell B2. And so I chose Apple for that again, although you can write an external cell and call it whatever you want. Very simple. So now I have this for Apple. I can double click to apply it to everything. And when I click this link, it will Google Apple for me, just like that. Very cool. Or I can click on Instagram and it'll open up Instagram for me right away. So very neat trick, makes Googling things from Excel a lot easier, but we can get a little more advanced with it too. What if we want to look up Apple's website? Well, in that case, we can add in a little bit of phrasing. Just the syntax is a little tricky, so you're going to want to follow this closely. We're going to want to write Apple website in the Google search. So the first cell is Apple. We already have that linked. Second cell, we're going to write and then we're going to put a space. So we're going to do quotation, space, quotation. That denotes a space. And then and for the next phrase. And we're going to put in website, which I have written here in column E already. So now the friendly name, as you can see, didn't change. But when I click on Apple, it now Googles Apple website. And I can add as many things to this as I like. I can also add in and space and logo. So now when I click on Apple, it'll Google, get rid of these tabs, it'll Google Apple website logo. And here it is. This is exactly what I was looking for. And yeah, you might think to yourself, well, I could just type that in for Apple, sure. But what if you have 1,000 names on this list? Then it would be really easy to lock in website and lock in logo using Command T on Mac. Double click this down. And now no matter what we click on, we can call Facebook, Facebook website logo, Tesla, Tesla website logo. It all works beautifully. And of course, the beauty of having the cells linked to these added search terms is we can change this to Apple CEO, let's say. LinkedIn. And now, when I click this, it'll have updated to whatever I changed those to. And I can easily find the LinkedIn of the CEO. So it's a really cool time saver and a really fun tool to use. Let me know what you think and if there's any other videos you'd like to see on Excel for Mac.